Have you ever wondered why are there certain people trying to take Pluto out of the universe? Pluto represents 2025. Pluto represents the number 9. Pluto represents rebirth, reborn. We call that birth and pains. Pluto represents karma for injustice on Mother Gaia. Pluto, fairness, healing and hurting people for profit, for they gain, animalism, sexism, humanitarianism, planetarism, landsism, autisms. Mother Gaia welcomes Pluto. Pluto is God's last playing card. And you wonder why Pluto is the most hated sign out of the zodiac. Injustice, unfairness, you hurting people for profit, you hurting animals for profit, you hurting Mother Gaia for profit. Murder, unnecessary bloodshed is why Pluto's here. Because it has reached its max on Mother Gaia of disrespect. Now Pluto transition 235 to 40 years. I repeat, 200 to 35 to 40 years. So with that being said, every human as we know it right now on Mother Gaia, Pluto is here to collect you people. That had no morals, no integrity, no respect. You harmed everything you touched. This is your last time to make it right. Because Pluto is here to collect, and to the underworld you may go. And we are gladly to sort you people out. This is your last time to make it right. Faith without works is dead. No more talking. No more illusion. You have to make it right to all this injustice you put to Mother Gaia, to the indigenous people, to this land, to God's chosen people, to the animals, for profit. You know who you are. And this is your last time to make it right. Because in this lifetime, Pluto is here to collect. Because no human lived to 235 years. This is a hard pill to swallow. But this is truth that will piss you off. Pluto is here to do a job. And that job will be done for Mother Gaia.